Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another leaking rooftop deck, and this is leaking down below into the garage, and it's all dripping at the header beam down below at the garage door opening. And I want to show you something here. So this is another liquid applied system, and looky, surprise, surprise, what you see are the cracks. You can see them here, but let's take a look at the bigger cracks here, and looks like the San Andreas Fault here. So we've got cracks the more you look all over this deck, and what's happened is water has migrated underneath this original liquid applied system, and now it's compromised the entire deck. So we also have a detail here with this integral drain here, which is really a bad detail from a waterproofing standpoint, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 drain points on here, and we've got minimal clearance underneath these doors. So that's a quick view of what's going on with this deck, and we'll keep you posted. This is Paul, your San Francisco Bay Area waterproof deck specialist. Thank you.